YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Penny. You are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I am going to straighten out my hair. I haven't straightened out my hair in like I think 3 or 4 years, and I just washed my hair. I have 4C hair and look at this. So I think my hair is kind of long. Let me see. Look at these guys. So I just want to check the length, and I usually don't apply heat to my hair, so I haven't applied anything. I haven't applied any oil or anything, moisturizer, so I'm gonna do that right now. And first I'm gonna start blowing it out before I use the straightener. So now I'll apply moisturizer, and I use this olive oil. So I'll apply this amount of oil, and just like this. So I'm gonna use the hair dryer and then the brush to blow out my hair. So I will just make small sections and then blow it out. I'm done blowing out my hair. Now I have this afro, and I'm just gonna straighten it from here. Oh wow, look at this. So the straightener is now hot and I'm so scared. I don't know where to start. I think I should start from here and then go this side, and after I should straighten the hair behind. And I'm so scared. This is very hot. I don't know, how do you guys check when the straightener is hot? This is what I do, and then I feel the heat on my face. I think it's safer to do it like this, because if you burn your face, not good. So let's start. Okay guys, this is what we have right now. Look at this. Now my hands can go through my hair just like this, and I don't know what to do now. I think I want to make a middle line, or maybe on the side. Let me just try. I think I'll make a line here. So look at these guys, look at this. But then I think I need to cut my hair, like, see, it's not like the same length. I need to cut these ends, because you can see guys, I don't really do this because I don't know how to do it, but I think I'm gonna do it today. So I have these small scissors and I'm just gonna use these. So and I just want to try and style it. So I'm still going to use a straightener and just roll it maybe like this, I don't know. Let's see. Let me just try. So I'll start from here and just, you know, just do this. Oh wow. Look at this. Okay, I'll let it cool down and then I'll just continue with the rest. We have. I'm so excited. I didn't know it was gonna turn out like this, but I like this so much, so I'm just gonna lay my edges and maybe just put on, I don't know, foundation or something and take some pictures. I love this so much. Look at my hair. Oh. So I just finished doing my makeup. I just applied my foundation and then my edges, and this is what we have. I like this so much. Look at my hair. I mean, it's not really so straight, but guys, you can see that I tried and I like this. Oh wow, I just ruined it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Guys, comment, tell me if you like this, and let me know if you also like to try this. I mean, you don't have to if you don't like it, but this is nice. It was a nice experience. I liked it and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, see you in the next video.